so I'm about to go get a haircut and a treatment, and I'll show y'all what it look like when I'm done. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have a couple of new things going on in my life right now, so I'm here to update you all. So my hair is in these little flat twists. I'm looking like Cleo from Set It Off. I'm looking like Shamar Moore. I'm looking like a little Bow Wow, a mix of everything, But I recently just got the Aphogee 6-week treatment, so that's what I'm doing. I got my hair trimmed. It was a pretty big trim because most of my hair was split ends because I haven't had a trim at all since I've been natural. So yeah, so here I am trying to get some growth, stop the breakage, trying to get some healthy hair on his head. So yeah, so now I got a little baby, little boy, but yeah, so I'm gonna keep you updated every week and let you see the growth from every week, from week 1 to week 6 of my Aphogee treatments. So let me just show y'all what it's looking like right now. But this is just what the back is, because the front isn't this long. The front isn't touching the back. The front is actually very short. So yeah. This is week 1. Second thing that I have going on is my new hair care line. I started it about a couple of weeks ago, and I plan to release my first 2 products very soon, so stay tuned. But this is one of the oils. I'm doing oils first. I'm releasing 2 oils, a scalp oil and then just all around hair oil. So yeah, this is what the oil is like. It's really, really, really good. I've been using it and my hair has been, I don't really know if you all can see the growth in a week. So yeah. I'm gonna put some on my scalp because that's what I've been doing. Okay, so now I'm about to take my twist out. I'm gonna take some of my oil. Okay, so it's shorter than my normal bush because I've got the trim, of course, but I like it. Healthy is better.
But I got something for Auntie's hair.
So now I'm about to style it. Really, I'm not really about to style it. I'm really just about to slick these taco meat edges down. And it's a wrap.
Okay.
Stop.
So Auntie Henny, bless. So we don't have any bless. I have to buy some bless. But my mom is going to take me to the grocery store. We're going to buy some bless, but not bless and salt. Now we're going to do Auntie Henny's now. Not going to hurt. Now we need to some blush.
Some blush. Girl, we're not doing no blush. That's not this video. Right now, we're about to do your hair.